In case 1, the firearm used was a service pistol of a police officer. That ang charge lang ay malversation. Walang criminal liability ayon sa batas. Pero para sa akin, dapat meron. Kung ikaw ay matapang, kung ikaw ay gusto, hindi matapang, kung ikaw ay may hilig sa baril, o ikaw ay may service firearm, dapat itago yan. Dapat walang nakahawak na iba. In the other case, security guard. Nakalagay rin doon yung baril. Yung dalawang bata, 2 araw nilang pinlano to at alam nila kung saan kukuha ng baril. I recommend to Congress that they rewrite the IRR of gun ownership and the responsibility of owning firearms, and to put a criminal aspect into the illegal use or illegal transfer of their guns. People have to be responsible gun owners or gun operators. People have to take accountability. Sa nangyari dito, wala kaming ma-charge dahil bitin ng batas.